What if I told you that there was a strategy out there that is going to pay you completely automatically just by copy and pasting certain tags and photos under 10 minutes, and you're going to be able to cash out anywhere from $50 to $300? Imagine how that money is going to make your life even better. You're going to be able to pay off your debt. You're going to be able to plan your next trip or save it. If you guys want to know how I did this, then focus your attention on... What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money-making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. Knowing that a lot of you are looking for something very beginner-friendly, I have come up with this amazing strategy that will require no selling, no social media followers, and no payments or investments. It pays amazingly and automatically if you have a phone or a computer and a stable internet connection. Then you're pretty much good to go right away. It is beginner friendly, it's easy, it's simple. I'm going to teach you all of the steps. You guys are going to absolutely love it. And let's jump right into it. So the first thing that I want to do is to open up Zazzle.com. Now I'm going to explain what this website is all about. Now you're going to be able to create web things like yard signs, fabric, mugs, stickers, and postcards for completely free, and then sell them and upload them on Zazzle.com. Now this website will sell those items for you, and you're going to be making some money online. Now, when you get to the website, I want you to click on the search bar, and then you're going to type in the keyword postcards. As soon as you type in that keyword, you're going to see that there are a lot of results for the postcards. For example, this person over here is selling for $1.50, and as you can see, there are a lot of people who sell postcards on this website. I do suggest that you go and click on this show all results button right here, and then you're going to be brought to this page where you can see the entire postcard category. And this is amazing because you can make your e-postcard or a digital postcard on Zazzle.com, and then you can sell it for a lot of money online. So some samples of the templates are over here that you can do. For example, you can make your postcards using the done for you template that they provide you with, sell it for $1.50. For example, this postcard here, marketed by this group for the same price. And every time somebody buys a postcard on this website, you're going to be making $1, $1.50, $1.20 over and over and over again. And the Zazzle.com website is going to handle all of the selling for you while you just send out 30 postcards daily on complete autopilot. And as you can see, if you make $45 a day for a month, you're going to be making an easy $1,300 over dollars. And it's crazy how you can earn $1 for free by simply creating postcards on this website. And I am going to show you how you're going to do it in a moment. Please leave a comment down below stating your favorite payment method, the country that you're from, and also include what other videos you'd like to see on our future videos, since it will be based completely off of all of your suggestions. We'd love to read through them and get some ideas, so make sure that you do that. And let's get back into the video. So I'm going to show you how you're going to create the e-postcard on Zazzle.com for completely free, and then how you're going to sell them for $1 over and over again, and then you're going to easily make your first $1,000 online. So if you are using an Android phone, you're going to go onto the Google Play Store, you're going to download the Zazzle app, create, design, and shop app, and the logo looks like this, so make sure that you are on the right application. If you have an iPhone, then you're going to go onto the App Store and you're going to download the same application. If you want to sign up for their website, you can go on to Zazzle.com. You're going to click on this sign in button right here, and then you're going to be brought to this page where you can either log in to your account, but since you don't have one yet, you have to click on this register button. So you're going to click on that button and you're going to be sent to this website where you can finally commence the registration process. So you're going to enter in your email address, your password over here. You're going to click on the blue create new account button, or you can join up using your Facebook account or Google account, which is much more convenient. And then make sure that you activate your account as well. Now, once you're able to sign up for a free account, you're going to go back to the home page, and then you're going to click on the create button over here, and then you're going to be brought to this page where you're going to start creating a lot of different products like gift cards and postcards and sell them for a lot of money. Now, I want you to go ahead, click on this start making button right here, and then you're going to be taken to this website where you can start designing a lot of different designs such as clothes or shoes. And if you want to design a mug, for example, as you can see when I scroll down below, there are a ton of different templates or products that you can create on this website for completely free, then upload it to Zazzle and sell it for a lot of money. When I scroll down below, you're going to see that one of the most popular products is a postcard. And daily, hundreds of people visit Zazzle to buy postcards. And as you can see below in the category of the most popular item, it's this one. And it's in the top 5 basically, and it's trendy. Now, there are a lot of people who want to buy the postcards, so this is your greatest chance to make some money online as a complete beginner. All you have to do is click on this button right here, and they're going to start populating the postcard templates, which you can start using and creating your postcard or your digital postcard or your e-postcard. If you're enjoying our video so far, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't yet, because you're not going to regret it. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit that notification bell beside it so that every time we post a new video, you're going to be the first to know, and you're going to be the first to make money out of all of my lovely subscribers. So make sure that you do that, and let's continue. So now you're going to click on the elements and add any elements that you want. Like if you want to add this, then you're just going to click on that and then drag it to the postcard. You can edit the size. You can just drop it as it is. You can add some texts even. Now all you have to do is go ahead and click on the text right here. Then you're going to click on add tags so that I can select from one of the font types over here. Maybe this one we're going to choose, and then they're going to show the text right here on the canvas. Now all you have to do is drag it over to the butterfly or whatever you chose. You can move your icon a little lower or a little higher so that when I click on the text, as you can see here, it's going to appear on the picture of the postcard. Again, you can edit the placement, adjust the position, shrink it, make it a bit bigger. You can basically do anything you want. It's a super easy, simple procedure to make an amazing postcard, and you can do it over here. And then again, you can add texts, elements, icons, change the background colors. Just use your imagination to the fullest to make a ton of different creative postcards. And as soon as you've created your postcards, you can sell them for a lot of money, starting at $1.50 or even $1.20, and you can start selling a lot of them right away. Now, an extra tip, if you don't want to make your own postcard, you can go ahead and click on the template, click on this button right here. You're going to discover a lot of done-for-you templates. And here is an amazing postcard that you can make with just one click of a button. Everything is done for you. You can change whatever you want if you want to. And basically that's it. As you can see, you can do anything that you want to it pretty much. If you don't want to start from scratch, you can use an already done for you template and then just edit out whatever is already there. It's super easy, super simple, and then when you have it, you can finally upload it to Zazzle and sell it for a lot of money, as I've mentioned, probably for the nth time in today's video. Now, I'm going to give you some bonus strategies to help you make even more money. When you get first to the website, you're going to see receive $25 to spend each time you're for a friend. So if you want to go to this page, go to Zazzle.com's homepage or any other website and scroll down to the very bottom of the page where you're going to find a friend. here, you can click on this link right here. And the reason why it's so amazing is that you can share a custom link. Here's my personalized link, and if you share this link with a friend, your friend is going to receive a $20 Zazzle.com discount code. For example, if they want to use it to purchase a postcard, like $1.20, you can buy 10 or 20 of them with the free money that Zazzle gives, and a lot of others will buy at the same time as well. It's amazing. Now all you have to do is enter your email address. You're going to click the email button, and they will immediately send you a custom URL, which you're then going to copy and paste. It's super simple. You're just going to copy this link, post it all over the internet, on Facebook, on Twitter, or any other social media, and then they're gonna get $25 free, and you're gonna ask them to purchase your postcard with the free $25, and they'll get a free postcard, and you're gonna make money at the same time. It's a great and effective method that not a lot of people are actually aware of, so make sure you try that. Now once you're satisfied with the design, all you have to do is go ahead and click the download button on the top right, and then that's going to download your e-postcard. Then you're going to open it up on your computer again, and then you're going to see, and you can use the done for you template, change anything you want, and then upload those that you downloaded for free on Zazzle and start selling them. You can get a lot of people to buy from you by simply sending them the link of yours, and by giving them $25, they're gonna give it back to you, and it's gonna help a lot of people to buy from you as well. And that is pretty much everything. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys again for watching today's video. We're so close to 60,000 subscribers, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you did. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.